In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import questions from Microsoft Word to Microsoft Forms. This process is incredibly useful for educators, trainers, or anyone looking to save time by reusing existing question sets in a digital format. Before we dive in, a quick note on preparation. Make sure your Word document is formatted correctly. Numbered lists work best for questions, while lettered lists are ideal for multiple-choice answers. Proper formatting will help the import process run smoothly, minimizing the need for extensive edits later on. To get started, open your browser and type Microsoft Forms into the search bar. Click on the appropriate link to navigate to the Microsoft Forms website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. Use your existing Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account, it's quick and easy to set one up right from the site. After you've signed in, you'll land on the Microsoft Forms homepage. Here, you'll see various options, but what you want to focus on is the Quick Import feature located at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll be presented with your next step: uploading the Word document that contains your questions. Select Upload from this device, and browse through your files to find the specific Word document, which should be saved in the .docx format. Once you've selected your file, confirm the upload to initiate the conversion process. Microsoft Forms will then ask whether you'd like to convert your file into a form or a quiz. Forms are more for gathering information, while quizzes include grading features like assigning point values and correct answers. Make your choice depending on your needs. Once you've made that decision, the conversion will commence. This should only take a few moments. After it's done, you'll see an option to Start Review, which will allow you to view your newly created form or quiz. This is your chance to ensure everything was imported correctly and make any necessary adjustments. As you review, pay attention to the details. For quizzes, you may need to manually add correct answers and assign point values for each question to ensure the quiz functions as intended. This is an excellent opportunity to refine questions or answer choices, ensuring clarity and accuracy. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully imported your questions from Word to Microsoft Forms, transforming your document into an interactive and easily shareable digital format. This saves both time and effort, allowing you to focus on the more important tasks at hand. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out for help. Happy form creating!